Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into CapCut, edit videos on mobile and desktop step by step clearly. To start using CapCut, first, download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you're on mobile. Once installed, open the CapCut app on your device. On the welcome screen, you'll see an option to sign up or log in. If you already have an account, tap on the login button. You can log in using your email address, phone number, or via social media accounts like Facebook or Google. Enter your login credentials in the provided fields. If you choose to use your email or phone number, make sure to enter the correct information. After entering your details, tap the login button to proceed. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. From here, you can start editing your videos by tapping the New Project button. If you're using CapCut on a desktop, go to the CapCut website. Click on the Login option located at the top right corner of the homepage. Similar to the mobile app, you can sign in using email, phone number, or social media accounts. Enter your login information and click the Login button. Once successfully logged in, you'll have access to the same editing features as on mobile. Now, you're ready to start creating and editing your videos in CapCut. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step